Hi, Joe here at Oase HQ, introducing to you a new extension to our FiltoClear range. We've got two new larger products dealing with ponds up to 60,000 litres and 90,000 litres, suitable for all types of ponds, whether it be a wildlife pond, a koi pond, a general fish pond, or even a swim pond. These products will be super useful for all of these types. They have integrated UVs, using two 60-watt UVs in our largest model and two 42-watt UVs in the 60,000 model, ensuring these ponds are going to be super clear at all times. We also have two inlets and two outlets on this new system, allowing really versatile installation. So ponds, you can position the pumps two different places in the pond, drawing water from different areas, and then reintroducing that filtered water back down waterfalls or back into the pool in different places. So how do these units keep the water clear? In the first instance, the water enters the unit into the outside of the drum and has to pass through 4 different grades of sponges. The reason we use different grades of sponges is that we're going to catch different sized debris on the outside of the surface, and as the water passes through, we're going to grow different types of bacterial cultures to biologically cleanse the system. The water then, once it's made its way through the sponges, will pass our large UVs, our 60-watt UVs or our 42-watt UVs, 2 of each, remember, inside these units. The UV will kill off single-cell green algae, producing beautifully clear water all year round. When you come to clean this unit, you turn the dial, which back flushes the system. So the water now is taking a different route through the filter and forcing the waste out through the discharge hose. We then mount a handle into these 4 different ports, allowing easy clean, and we squeeze the sponges to remove the detritus and send it away to waste. Once the water has passed through the sponges, it drops down to the very base of the unit. It then rises up through a very unique system that we designed into the original FiltoClear range, and we've carried on with this range, is a rotor that spirals the water around the quartz tube, meaning you get greater UV exposure, and this water pressure drives the cleaning motor to mean that the quartz sleeve stays clean at all times. The UV, super important in these systems for keeping single-cell green algae under control, meaning the water stays crystal clear all year round. Once it's passed past the UVs, it then exits through either 1 or 2 of the outlets and can return to your pool, down a water course, or directly back into the pool. So whether you're an enthusiastic amateur or a professional installer, maybe you're working on koi ponds, goldfish ponds, wildlife ponds, or even bigger landscaping projects, these systems are going to produce crystal clear water all year round.